So guys, today we'll be playing Cat Mario. So many asking me to play this. What the? They say it's very hard and you to what the fudge? Okay, let's try this. Just like Mario, but with a cat version and very different white of the Goomba looks like that. Okay, oh, it's another enemy. Die! What the fuck? So no, what the shit? Are you fucking serious? Are you serious? Oh my fudging. Please stop it. Oh my, what the fuck? What the hell just happened? What just happened? Oh, great wall jump. I know that's another enemy, that sneaky bastard. Holy they just got rid of this Goomba. Beep. Bing bang, whatever, bing bang. Okay, I'm not, what the fuck? One half. Are you sucking shit? I'm smashing my keyboard so hard. I think it's destroying the keyboard. Of course I'm... wait. Why is it... Son of a... Are you fucking... Sorry for the potty mouth, but... This game is so goddamn hard. These were lying in the... I thought YouTube was lying about saying it's the hardest Mario. It turns out I decay. I know to say. Okay, let's go here. So I'm feeling smart. No one. What the hell was that? But what the fuck? Yeah. What the fuck? Oh my god, I just go there for there. Oh, I know this way, Jeepar. Okay, let's go. I'm stuck here. Let me die. So, why all these Indonesian at camp and in my fudging? I don't know. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm starting to admit it. This goddamn... What the fuck? This game is so sucking... Yahoo! I'm smashing the keyboard so because I didn't need that makes sense. Fun of a fun. hell? Just open this. Cat Mario. What the? Cat Mario is so fudgy hard. I didn't believe it. I'm being married, but that's good. My brain what is trying to explode here. My brain is about to. All I'm saying is, this fucking level is so hard. It's making me fucking cussing. I am cussing at once. I am fucking cussing. Because I'm not gonna hit a dog. Who knows what? Go. God damn it! God damn it! I just broke the keyboard. Hold on a second. I broke the keyboard once. Okay, guys, I'm back with another keyboard because I got so. Okay, that new keyboard is kind of damaged when I slapped it. Nah, I'm not using a keyboard. I am Samsung user. Okay, let's get this. Wait. Sorry, I can talk Indonesian too. Only I don't know what Indonesian are. These. I have a bad feeling of choke. That's my bad feeling. My bad feeling is being decapitated by the goddamn. What the fuck? Sorry guys, I just air with this. My body cannot stand the potty mouth I'm getting here. Whoa. Why? Is this so? Using a fucking Pokemon card because it's not necessary, but this hole, I wish I can. Dead. Oh, find a hint. Yes, I don't care. Please, I don't care. I don't fucking care. I don't care, okay? I don't care. I am dying from this goddamn game. Pause. Oh, still recording. Oh yeah, this thing's still here. Now I'm not gonna swim. Oh, I will. I will walk later. Okay. That is the fucking hint. That's the sucking hint. Are you fuck? I can't believe this is whoa. Like this. Okay, let's practice another. Drink some. I'm going to drink some water. Water. Okay, let's do this. I just drink water to relax and so we get on this cloud and this. Achoo! up here. What the hell? That Mario has underestimated my game. Error. Please, please, please wait until the what? Wait. I swear, if I die again, I'll be like start this new keyboard. I said I was using a gun. I wonder what's in this lucky block. But I'm using it. Come on! Oh shit, I was too late. I'm so fucking about to wait till my goddamn glasses up. I'm gonna wait my glasses up. I'm using glasses because Wait. Okay, I gotta put my hand where is the best. What the fuck? Now I'm gonna turn Wi-Fi off because these ads are getting annoying. Yeah. But the short ads, yeah, I'm gonna keep the short ads. They're really short. Here, got coins. I don't know how many coins because there's no goddamn coin meter or something like that. Error. This number you login has disconnected or no longer in service. Please wait until the sorry guys, I raised so hard. I just farted, guys. Sorry, that angle needs to come out for some reason. I'm going to bed. Wait, that else? That's my bed feeling for just doing that. My hands are hurting from all the hitting I'm doing. My phone is about to explode here. It's just my phone is just like it has been through World War II some shit. Woohoo! I don't care if these white Goombas. Okay. Oh. Dude, come on. I wish that cloud will kill itself with a gun. Anyways, guys, I'm done gaming. I hate this. So I'm gonna go until I win. Probably I will lose the rest of this. Okay, I'm giving up. I'm going to this. Nope. I hate the game. I hate the game. I wish this game wasn't been born. Sorry, but I hate this goddamn game. I'm playing another game off camera. I'm just gonna play some level maker to make me calm because level maker makes me calm. Yeah, isn't it relaxing? Well, it's kind of, my Wi-Fi is off, so I'm gonna turn on. Wait, my Wi-Fi is on. How to play this browser? How do you say? Bowser, but I guess from playoff studies I don't want to. You know what? Selection maker makes me kinda angry, so I'm using this app too. Yeah, not ChatGPT, the film I recorder. Guess I will watch some YouTube videos. Yeah, I can just watch one of Mr. Spiricle's videos.
Got something I'm supposed to.
Okay, I'm gonna be copyright strike. You can just watch this all this. Okay, I have this because I'm a Muslim, okay? But anyways, I don't know what. I like cats, okay? Ew! This sick tiger rescue. Ew, I'm not gonna look at. Well, tiger throwing up. I think I'm gonna throw up too. I think I didn't have to think about that. Anyways, I'm done. Until another round. I need another round. Okay, this is supposed to be another. Listen here, you block. Get here or you arrested.